Welcome to RoboDog, the new robotic replacement for the conventional pet, aimed at the very busy individual. This dog requires no feeding and gives you the same loving care that a normal pet does. Its face will tell you what the weather in Denmark is, its tail will tell you how much solar is being generated up in New Hampshire, and it will move this ball from the left side to the right side of the room. So let me demonstrate. It reacts to your voice commands, and the face reflects the weather. So clearly it is sunny currently in Denmark. And if we tell it to go, and then stop, and then go, stop. You can see it behaves just as well as a normal pet. Buy now before we sell them all out at robopet.com.
Ye. Haw. Ye. Haw.
I'm living in that 21st century, doing something mean to it. Do it better than anybody you ever seen do it. Screams from the haters, got a nice ring to it. I guess every superhero need his theme music. No one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I just count the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the power.
I would like to introduce you all to the next generation machinery in quality checking. I call it the Perfectionist. The machine starts with the system link command, sending the package to the first checkpoint, where if you like it, using teachable machines, it will recognize your thumbs up. This leads the package to the loading dock. Here, using linear regression AI model and an ultrasonic sensor, it launches the package onto the delivery truck after one last check.
What's up? It's your boy, back at it again with another unboxing video. Today we're cracking open these two new LEGO EV3 kits and we're gonna build ourselves a nasty contraption. If you recall from last week's unboxing video, we got these two new foam gliders, so let's bust open some boxes. But before we continue, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for new uploads. And without further ado, wowzers! Look at what we have here. In just under 25 minutes, I was able to build and code an entire mechanism to launch these airplanes, and I call it the Cookie Monster. Let's go through what I've got. So up first, we have our Pixie camera. It uses image processing to detect where the airplane is, but it doesn't really like my green shirt. The information is then sent to an Arduino via serial communication, which is then sent back to the laptop for post-processing. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the Wi-Fi to work, so we got the next best thing, Bluetooth. Have you ever heard of a Bluetooth-powered airplane? The FAA better start taking notes. Let's load up this beast. Nice. Now let's watch this puppy fly. Did you see that? Let's get an instant replay. Wowzer. Did you see this beauty fly? Those fellas from Kitty Hawk will be proud. Anyway, that's all the time I've got. I've got to get back to programming my robot on my Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching. Tune in next week.
Ever had the problem of balls rolling away? Well, those times are over. Introducing the Balance Bot, driven by one medium motor and a manual turning handle in case you need to readjust the balance, and indeed it balances the ball and keeps it from rolling away. For all your balancing needs, the Balance Bot.
Is an international pandemic keeping your friends away? Do you not even have friends to begin with? Well, I have the solution to all your problems. Introducing Best Friend Bot. Best Friend Bot is always down to play catch and will never use excuses like I'm tired or it's 2 a.m. and I have to do my engineering homework. Best Friend Bot uses 2D computer vision and a Kalman filter to use the previous and current state of the ball to predict the final trajectory. After a prediction has been made, inverse kinematics are used to calculate the angle at each of the joints. The PID controller at each joint is designed to reach the angle as quickly as possible. Best Friend Bot also promises to never infect you with the deadly disease, so invest now.
We've all been bowling before. Whether you bowl like a pro, bowl like a beginner, or wee bowl. We are now taking bowling to the next level with robot bowling. Introducing the Robo Bowler. The build includes 2 motors, one to drive the car and one to bowl the ball, a color sensor to detect the ball, and a ramp to mimic a bowling motion. The color sensor detects the color blue to identify when the ball is present. The bowling arm is powered by the motor. It bowls the ball down the ramp at 24 meters per second. The robot drives itself at 2.5 meters per second to the right location to bowl. The robot will use machine learning to identify where the pins are and use that to determine what location to bowl from. With all these features combined, the Robo Bowler is an ultimate bowling machine.
Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day. Out in the sun, they slave away. While we devoting full time to flow.
Is there something from your childhood keeping you up at night? Can't get that faceless voice out of your...
I can't do this anymore!
Maybe even after 10 years, you can't take the fact that a 10-year-old showed you up?
You did it! Oh my god, you did it, Armand!
Well, I have something for you. Introducing the Anti-Boppet. The Anti-Boppet is a robot that takes away all of the fun of the boppet. No frustration necessary. Here's how it works. There are 4 corners of the platform. Flick it, spin it, twist it, and pull it. The angle of the platform is controlled by 3 motors to move in the X and Y directions. To start, place the ball in the corner of the platform. The Raspberry Pi camera will detect the location of the ball and prevent it from flicking, pulling, spinning, or twisting ever again. In doing so, it will balance the ball in the middle of the platform.
My name is Walker, and I'm here from the junior division of the ME35 class to talk to you about your chickens. We here at ME35 understand the importance of harnessing the power of your chickens. To satisfy your Rube Goldberg, we have developed the Chick Magnet, a revolutionary new way to push any ball you want up a ramp. Using a touch sensor, a proportional controller, and a motor, we iteratively measure the pecking rate of your chickens and increase the speed linearly with the peck rate. Once the ball has traveled up the ramp, a color sensor detects the ball and communicates with the cloud to trigger another step in our Rube Goldberg. I'm asking for your help to gain permission from the FDA and CDC to test the beta on live chickens. Every dollar counts. Now, please enjoy the current beta.
Hello. Are you tired of just playing catch with your favorite ball? Tired of picking your ball up by yourself? Tired of your ball laying unused in a corner? Maybe you want something to show your family and friends over Zoom. Look no further. In a matter of a week, I will hold before me a fabulous zipline ride made just for balls and other small objects. It will use an Arduino with a temperature sensor and LCD that displays the ambient temperature and the status of the system link start-go signal. While the EV3 sends the ball flying down the zipline, once the signal is received, coming April 22nd.
This is the story of a young robot boy named LeBron, who was told he couldn't play basketball because he couldn't figure out how to dribble. But due to AI and a little bit of try and error, he was able to dribble for the first time and then led himself to become the best basketball player ever.